Like any operating system and platform, Android devices can get malware. Some Android users may already know how to protect themselves from malware, but if you aren't cautious or worried, you can follow these steps to protect your Android device from malware. Android is the most used operating system in market share, making many malware developers targeted. Without further ado, here's how you protect your Android device from malware. To avoid getting malware, you can install apps from the Play Store. However, many Android users like to install apps from outside sources, such as from websites or third-party app stores. Doing that can be risky, as many sources outside the Play Store may easily contain malware, usually from untrusted third-party app stores or sketchy websites. So it's recommended to install from the Play Store. Or if you know what you're doing, you can install from other trusted sources like F-Droid. Regularly update your system and the applications you install to patch vulnerabilities. Pay attention to permission requests and disable unnecessary ones. If you find suspicious requests, for example, a calculator app that asks for access to contacts, then it should not be safe. If you have any apps that you don't need, it's better to remove it. You must be careful about what you're doing online. Don't click suspicious links in texts, emails, or pop-ups. Avoid using public or unsecured Wi-Fi, and be wary of unusual website addresses. Don't root your phone for daily use, as it removes built-in security. Use a reputable antivirus for your Android device. This is optional, but recommended for extra protection. Android can get malware, so being cautious is important. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.